Hello and welcome to our video on mastery goals. Let's review a few tips to ensure you are making the most out of your learning experience while working on Khan Academy. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Khan Academy account by checking for your name in the upper right-hand corner. Now, on the left side, you should see your classes where your teacher has given you a mastery goal or an assignment to work on. Click on the tab that says Mastery Goals to view the goals your teachers have set for you. Now that you're viewing and focused on your learning goals, let's discuss the top 5 strategies for mastering goals on Khan Academy. Number 1, your mastery goals are important goals set by your teacher. On your learner homepage, you can track your progress toward the mastery goal along with the due date your teacher has assigned. Simply click on the mastery goal to access the course homepage. Here, you'll find the course units and your progress towards mastering each unit. Keep an eye on the purple bar that fills from left to right as you progress through each unit. Regularly check your unit progress to ensure you're on track to achieve your goal. Click into a unit to see your mastery level for each skill on the left-hand side. Aim to earn a crown for every skill and move your mastery level to mastered. Next, embrace time and practice. Mastery requires time and practice. As you practice skills and answer questions, your mastery level for each skill will rise with correct answers and decline with incorrect ones. If you wish to accelerate your progress, consider trying a mastery challenge. These challenges allow you to reinforce the skills you've already practiced through 6 focus questions. Remember, mastery is a meaningful achievement, and the effort you put in to reach it demonstrates true learning. Don't be afraid to retry exercises until you achieve a score you're satisfied with. Embrace struggles and mistakes as they contribute to your brain's growth. Make sure to follow the guiding blue buttons throughout the platform. Your course contains a number of skills that you can practice at your own pace. To stay on track, look for the blue buttons through the course. These buttons will always guide you to the next skill that you should work on. Don't forget to utilize hints when you're stuck. It's completely normal to feel stuck while learning new skills. The key is to not give up. When you encounter difficulties, take advantage of the hint feature. Hints provide step-by-step instructions for the specific question you're working on, and you can jot them down for future reference. Additionally, you can watch instructional videos or read articles on the skill to gain further insights. Once you've done this, attempt the exercise again, and if you're still stuck, don't hesitate to seek support from your classmates, teachers, or family members. Lastly, embrace mastery learning. Always remember your potential to succeed knows no bounds. Keep trying, embrace making mistakes, and never hesitate to seek help when needed. The beauty of learning on Khan Academy lies in the endless possibilities for growth and knowledge. By employing these strategies, you'll be well equipped to work towards your mastery goals effectively on Khan Academy.